Tawag dito, ito ay E-clef or treble clef. And then, ito yung sa line at saka spaces. Tawag natin dyan ay ano? Stop. Okay. So, the next naman, dun sa kinds of notes and rest. Anong tawag natin dito sa parang circle? Full note. How many counts? 4 counts. So, when we play a note, halimbawa, like for example, play natin ito. And let's say, C chord. Pag full note, we will just play once, isang beses lang, pero hold natin siyang 4 counts. So, parang 1, 2, 3, 4 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, teacher. Naka-side siya ganyan. Ang gitna, na ganito. Sige. Next naman, half note. 1, 2, 3, F. 2. Alright. Let's say we have 4 quarter notes. 4 quarter notes, paano yun? 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4. 4 counts for each. Kasi, ang quarter note, 6. How many count? Ang quarter note? Then, value 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sige nga, ulitin natin. Ikaw lang ha. 4 downstrokes for each measure. Ready? And 2, 4, 1,